What's up, traders? It's your boy Ace Boogie coming to you live and direct. Hope you're having a great day today. Want to go over a few trades that I took this morning, a few trades that I closed out, and a few new trades that I took, and I'm still in. So the first one is BFRI. This one has been on my watch list for a while, but here's the intraday chart right here. I made a cool 20% on it. I basically took it from 1040. It popped the area that I was looking for, and I let out at about 1260 in the 1260s. So sold directly into strength. Took a decent meter to move. As you can see, it got halted, popped up, got halted, popped up again, and then basically dropped from there. Kind of like what they always do. So BFRI was cool because it's been on my watch list for weeks now, and as you can see, it's been a big runner since November. So November had the big 3-day run right into Thanksgiving, putting that 1150, 1139 high, and that's the area I was basically playing today. I thought if it could break over 1050 with the momentum and the news and the sentiment it had today, that it can really test that 1139 area, and if it break that, it can probably get into the 12s or 13s, and that's exactly what I got, except I got it super fast. Here's today, so over 1050. Here's that 1139 area, and here's where it went to damn near 15. So this happened like super quick. Like I called it in the chat room saying, hey, I'm looking for this, I'm risking that, just the normal chat room jargon. And as soon as I hit enter and sent the message, it was literally like 2 minutes later where it broke higher day, got halted over that breakout area. As you can see, it got halted right at, I think, 1150. Yep, in 1150s. And it popped up. I gave it a couple of seconds, tried to be patient, and I just sold into strength. So that was probably the best trade I took of today. Another trade I had going from the day before yesterday into today was SAEC or SEAC. There it is. Oh my gosh. All right, so SEAC. I had longed it yesterday into the strength, thinking, hey, if it breaks out over the 207, 208 area, it would continue. The area I was looking to play was basically, it had a multi-day sell-off. This was the first green day, and it was breaking out over this 207, 208 area. And I got long for that, but it got stopped out shortly at the $0.25 level of 225, and lost all this momentum from there. So I overstayed this one a little bit, but what was cool about this is I recognized the overextended gap down pattern and basically called it out to myself. I said, I'm already down. I think I was down like 90, almost $100 at the time in the pre-market. But I said, hey, I'm not going to cut it down here into this weakness. Overextended gap down pattern says when it plays out correctly, it's going to make an attempt to spike into a resistance area from the previous day, or either the red-green area or VWAP or some area of, resistance. So we'll wait for that to plan out, and then we'll just take off into that type of strength. So this is me saying, I don't want to cut it down here. It's in the low 180s. So pre-market, I said, all right, cool. The red-green area, it's probably going to be too far. However, I can probably plan for $2. I can see it going towards $2 and it, attempting to go that way. And that's exactly what it did. It did a bounce and got some momentum right before the open. It was like 910, 920. And it popped up to the 190s. And I already had a sell order like at 193 just ready to go. and it filled my order. So when the market opened, it popped up again, went to 205 for a little bit into the previous day's resistance from back here. All this resistance came into play, and got rejected, just like the overextended gap down pattern says it's supposed to. So, and then of course it goes on to make lower lows. But really, looking at this in hindsight right now, it's really holding up well. You would think it'll get crushed further than 10 cents below. So this one may have another first green day tomorrow. It looks like it's curling up off this base right now. So we'll see if they come out with another news piece or they do something to pump the chart and see if this one gets more momentum. But yeah, I took a small little loss on that, buying it in the the low twos, cutting it in the 190s. And the last trade I took today, I am still in this one, is of course OWUV. This one is the OTC of the last part of this year. This one's like the hottest OTC right now. So this one went red yesterday, held up nicely. I should have been buying, dip to 25 cents, dip to the support. But I was just trying to see what was going to happen with it. I wanted to be patient. But today, it broke out to new highs. I saw that and I kind of chased it. I definitely did chase it into a high. I thought it had more upside. It did have upside, but it kind of unraveled towards the end of the day. So it had the big crack down to VWAP support, which was another buying opportunity. A bounce back up to the highs, and a crack back down to like the mid area. So this one has potential to keep running tomorrow. If it gets more news, or if these sellers at 40 cents just gets out the way. I think, and I was saying this from the other day on Twitter, I think this goes to 50 cents before it's all said and done at a minimum. So we'll see how that plays out. I got a super small position as usual. I'm keeping it super small until January 1st, and then we're going to get real serious with the trading. So we're going to just keep working on fundamentals, working on habits, working on pattern identification real time, and refining those skills. That way, when it's time to turn up the volume, turn up the heat, we're ready to rock without any issues with our stride. Honorable mention today is AABB. I saw this one. It had a nice first green day yesterday into today. You can see on the daily chart down here. Nice first green day yesterday. Big strong day. I'm surprised I missed that one. And today it had the continuation spike all the way towards the highs again. So this is the all-time highs for AABB. This 28-29 cent area.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
So we'll see if it makes another attempt to break those highs. I was buying this on this day. I think I bought it on this day, anticipating that breakout, but we didn't get it yet. So we'll keep this one on watch. I definitely encourage you to keep that on watch as well. Other than that, I don't have anything else for you. Stay safe, stay dangerous, learn patterns, and strive to be self-sufficient. Peace.